Now class 7th, chapter number 6 triangle. Today we'll discuss the topic exterior angle property of a triangle. So let's start. So what is the meaning of exterior angle? The exterior angle is the angle between any side of a shape and a line extended from the next side. So the figure looks like this, where this one, angle number 4, is the exterior angle of the triangle ABC. So 4 number angle, angle number 4 is the exterior angle of the triangle ABC. Now, next point is remote interior angles, or we can say interior opposite angles. So, the two angles that are not adjacent or not next to the exterior angle of the triangle are called the remote interior angles or interior opposite angles. Okay, so here it is the figure. So RST is the triangle and this is the exterior angle. So the angle which is not adjacent to this exterior angle, that are angle S and angle T. So these two angles are known as remote interior angles, or we can say opposite interior angles, interior opposite angles. Now, one property of the triangle is exterior angle property, which says the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measure of the two interior opposite angles. That is, adding the measure of two opposite interior angles of a triangle gives the measure of the exterior angle. So, we can say if the angle 3 is the exterior angle of the triangle, so this angle number 3 is equal to the angle 1 plus angle 2. Now let's prove this exterior angle property, which says an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. So let ABC be a triangle and angle ACD is its exterior angle. Now we have to prove if angle A denoted by 1 and angle 2 denotes the angle B. So we have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD. Now what we do? We draw a line through point C, which is parallel to the line AB. So we write CE is parallel to AB. Now this line CE divides the angle ACD into two parts, that is X and angle Y. Now let's start the proof. What we have to prove? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD. So AB and CE are the two parallel lines and AC is the transversal. So angle 1 and angle X are the pair of alternate interior angles and they are equal. So we have angle 1 is equal to angle X. Now again AB and CE are the parallel lines and BD is its transversal. So angle 2 and angle Y, they are the pair of corresponding angles and they are equal. Now we add these two equations, which is for angle 1 and angle 2. So we add these two equations. So get angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle X plus angle Y. Now what is the sum of angle X and Y? Yes, angle X plus angle Y is equal to angle ACD. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD. So this proves that exterior angle is the sum of two opposite interior angles. Now let's do the activity for the exterior angle property. So by the activity we will prove the exterior angle property of a triangle, which says the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Now we have the required materials are cardboard, adhesive, glazed papers or white chart paper or geometry box, tracing paper or cutters, or we can say scissors. Now the prerequisite knowledge is that we know the straight angle, that is equal to 180 degree, and we know the exterior angle property of a triangle. Now let's start. Now you have to do, take a color paper and draw a triangle ABC on it and cut this triangle from the colored paper and paste it on a white paper, and then you have to produce the side BC of triangle ABC to the point D. Then next step, you have to cut out the pair of angles, angles A and angle B, from a glazed paper, or you can say by a tracing paper, and then these two cutouts of angle A and angle B we have to arrange at the point C like this. So by this figure we observe that angle ACD is the exterior angle and angle A and B are the two opposite interior angles, and these cutouts of angle A and angle B completely covers the exterior angle ACD. So this is angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Now by the measurement also we can prove. Now we have to measure the angle A and angle B. Then we have to sum up these two angles, angle A plus angle B, and by the protractor again we have to measure the angle ACD. So here also by the degree measurement we can prove angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. So in this way we verified the exterior angle property of a triangle.